This newscast is brought to you by Lavo. Canon is collaborating with Adobe to bring Frame.io's camera-to-cloud connectivity to select cameras. Starting with Canon's EOS C400 and EOS C80, the collaboration enables users to send proxy files directly from the camera for a faster and more secure path from production to post. The new feature, activated in camera, will be included in a free firmware update available for download in winter 2024. The update supports simultaneous proxy file transmission from camera to cloud from the EOS C400 and EOS C80 cameras, while recording original camera files, OCF, and proxy files internally. The proxy files can be sent over wireless or a wired Ethernet connection.
Blackmagic Design has released the Blackmagic Camera 9.1.1 update. This update is for Blackmagic PYXIS 6K and adds small improvements to image processing. No more details unveiled so far about what these image processing improvements are. The Blackmagic Design PYXIS 6K Cinema Box camera features a full-frame 6K sensor with a claimed 13 stops of dynamic range. It can record both Blackmagic RAW and H.265 proxy files to the cloud or even stream directly to a social media platform of choice via Ethernet or mobile 4G or 5G technology. The PYXIS can film up to 6K OpenGate 3:2 video at 36 frames per second or 6K anamorphic 6:5 video at 60 frames per second, among other selectable resolutions.
SmallRig has announced its new RC60C RGB LED light. It is SmallRig's first RGB CW full-color chip-on-board portable light, which builds on its predecessor, the RC60B, with additional features such as a wider color temperature range from 2500K to 10,000K, along with other adjustments. The light features a built-in battery that allows the fixture to operate at 100% output for up to 45 minutes, to 75 minutes in the Eco mode. 65-watt or more PD charger can be used for fast charging the battery in around 2 hours. Instead of the inbuilt battery, it is possible to power the light through conventional power adapters and other batteries. The light is controllable locally or via a smartphone app to set color adjustments and light effects. Built-in lighting features include green magenta adjustment, color filters, Roscoe Lee, HSI, RGB, CCT range, and color picking. The light also includes built-in paparazzi, fireworks, lightning, faulty bulb, TV, breathe, flash, party, and flame effects, as well as CCT and RGB cycle.
ACT Entertainment has appointed James Oliver to the position of Vice President of Strategic Partnerships. As a proven executive with a track record for growth, Oliver has a demonstrated history in the professional audio industry of bringing ambitious brands to new heights. In his new role, Oliver has been tasked with developing a live sound division that mirrors the success ACT has created for its other partners in the entertainment space. Oliver previously served as partner and chief strategy officer at PK Sound. During his tenure, PK grew more than 600%. Prior to that, as director of marketing and sales of Adamson Systems Engineering, Oliver oversaw the rapid growth of its global distribution network.
Adobe has expanded its Firefly family of creative generative AI models to video, in addition to new breakthroughs in its image, vector, and design models. The Firefly Video Model, now in limited public beta, is the first publicly available video model designed to be commercially safe, Adobe said. However, the Generative Extend AI beta is not full-on generative AI, but rather a feature that allows creators to extend clips to cover gaps in footage, smooth out transitions, or hold on to shots longer for perfectly timed edits. The company said it trains its Firefly generative AI models on licensed content, such as Adobe stock or public domain content, and its features are developed under its AI ethics principles of accountability, responsibility, and transparency.
This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.